Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Anna. I'm an investment advisor, and here in Russia I work with extremely rich people. So I sell assets from their private collections. It could be gemstones, antiquities, and real estate. Today I would like to tell you about the importance of doing what you really like, where you feel passion and what really gives you energy, because without energy you would not be able to do anything, and other people feel it. When you is passionate about something, it brings you a lot of motivation and power to continue doing something, even if you failed some moments ago, for example. And today I had one Zoom call with a woman about one project. It was related to financial sphere, the cooperation with bank, and they wanted me to be involved in their working process. And some moments after, I came to the conclusion that the atmosphere, people around, are the most important in my life. And if I feel awful, stressed, or tired, so tired after one Zoom call, it means that something is wrong. As I know, a lot of people don't pay attention to this factor. They don't highlight even to themselves that after one action they feel that they don't have energy at all, and they can close their eyes and not follow their initial wishes, because there are a lot of external factors like the need of money or different fears and something like that. But I always try to be in contact with myself and analyze all moments that happen with me during my life. And when I feel so physically and mentally tired after something, I always try to understand why. And I can say that in many cases this means that this project or this person doesn't suit me. I understand that, so I can compare my emotions and my feelings in different situations, and very often I don't feel so low energy that I only can lie in the sofa, for example, and can't do anything. And so today's Zoom call gave me a key, or like so my body after this Zoom call told me that it is not my way, it is not a good project where I should work, so I shouldn't agree to to do what they want, and that this offer doesn't suit me, because everybody is individual. We all have different characteristics and wishes, and so for my character, the whole offer is not so amazing one, because I can say that after some meetings with some people, even if I feel no energy physically, I can be fulfilled emotionally. So despite the fact that I am tired physically, I can continue working and for example, feeling amazing. I think that it means that this person or this project suits me. It is only one moment that I would like to highlight to you, because there are a lot of people who don't mention this. I really believe that your body can give you information better than something else. The amount of energy that you take from something is essential if you want to be successful. And if you feel passionate about something, others, like professional players in the sphere where you work, or your clients, or all people around, they always want to be in your life when they see that you have a lot of not only kindness, it can be not like kindness, it can be energy, that you are alive, that you want to do something, that you feel motivated, so that you don't mention all problems that you have, and you are like optimistic sometimes. And so, of course, it is all different aspects. You can feel tired, not motivated, but to be optimistic. And you can be realistic even if you don't feel low energy, for example. It is not all about like, it is like a complex of different moments in your career life. But you should understand that if something goes wrong, even if you think that this offer is good, great, and it is stupid to abandon it, in reality, if you agree but your body disagree, you will not become successful. You will not feel satisfied. And I really think that satisfaction of life, of your career, is close to your love and passion to the sphere where you work and what you do on a daily basis. So I hope that you like this video. Please write in comments your advice to people who can be in such situations when they need to make a choice. and always hear your initial wishes, your body, and yourself as the whole, not what others tells you, not their goals, not their ambitions, because sometimes for the majority of people, one choice could be much worse, could be worse than another. But for you, another choice can be amazing, excellent, and the most suitable one. And in this, even if others can't succeed, you have chances, because you will work despite the fact that you don't like the amount of money that somebody pays you. But because you feel so much positive emotions and you are motivated, you will not notice that some problems, some difficulties, you will understand, you will think that it is like a game, it is like your way of life, and everything will be better in the future, but now you need some time. And only your real initial wish will lead you to success. And nobody can say you that you should choose that project, not those, because they don't know the whole story, your background, your characteristics, character, and individual like figures of your body, for example. So again, I hope that you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe. See you later. Bye bye.